Look at this shit. Cars have literally broken down.
Welcome to Darwin, Australia. You can't even bloody drive. It's either that hot that you burn your forehead off, or it rains that hard you can't even drive, mate. Bloody hell.
Look at this shit.
That's not a river system, that's a fucking drain. That's hectic, that's like 2 meters deep. More cars pulled over. Water over the bloody road.
Look at this. Look at this shit. Cars have literally broken down because the road has flooded. Look at that shit.
There's fucking rapids in the drain.